All right, guys, so welcome back. As you can see, it's a nice sunny day here, and today we're looking at window cleaning. Everybody, when it's nice outside, wants to have nice clean windows. This makes it a good time for you guys out there to make a little bit of extra money. So come with us and we're going to show you what we buy when we're setting up a window cleaning bucket to make that extra bit of money for the summertime. So you sold window cleaning to your customer, maybe you saw one of our videos and you're like, I really want to get into that, make some easy money, but I don't even know where to start. I don't know where to buy the stuff. I can go online and Amazon, but I like to touch things. I like to know what I'm getting. This whole area is Unger. So Unger's been in business in the window cleaning industry for over 30 years. These are the exact same products that we get when we order from, whoever, our Jansan suppliers, right? So what would I need to get started, right? I would need a bucket. So this is really simple. So $20 bucket, professional window cleaning Unger bucket. You could get this attachment here. So you're having a pole for your windows that are high. And then you also have a squeegee and your strip washer, and that's like 45 bucks. And then you're looking, what else do I need? Well, you may want a bigger washer or a bigger squeegee. So that's another 20 bucks, depending on the size of your windows. And your window washing chemical, $12 here, but you're looking, you could use dish soap if you want it. Get some Dawn dish soap, put it in there. We'll watch our video how to do it. And things like, you can get a scraper, anything that you've seen us, and replacement squeegees. So anything that you've seen us do on our videos, there's nothing here that you would not be able to buy to get your window cleaning business started or to get that add-on service. So coming in here with $100, you could earn that back in 2 hours, an hour, maybe less, depending on your business. Going door to door, whatever it is, commercially, super simple. So everything you would need to start window cleaning, or I ran out of something, you can get here. There's no need for you to go and like, oh, I'm gonna wait or figure out or order from another company. Come down to Home Depot, spend $100 and get working.
With promo code SUMMER26, you can save 20% on an annual membership to OctoClean Media. You'll gain access to live coaching calls, regularly updated courses, downloadable templates and guides, and a community of commercial cleaning professionals. Use promo code SUMMER26 at checkout and save 20% on your annual membership. This offer is available throughout July and August only. Visit OctoCleanMedia.com and start investing in the future of your business today.
Let's just show you like how easy it would be. So you'll need this bucket, and they're about 20 bucks, 19 something. Your glass cleaner, you could use this, or you could just use Dawn dish soap. To be very honest with you, you want to get a strip washer. I would grab a pole because you don't know exactly if you want to. Pole's a lot cheaper than a ladder, that's for sure. And you could grab your pole, and this whole thing is like $45 and comes with a pole, telescopic up to 6 feet. If you wanted to go higher, they have poles here. But this is a good one to get you started, and has your strip washer, everything you would need. And really you could get started there. You may want to have a scraper depending on what kind of windows you're doing. Grabbing some of these, I like to call them fish scale towels, are great because they don't really get really wet. So they do all your edging. So if you're looking at this, you could leave with just this and go out and start making money today.